Hello guys and hello everybody to Dr. Niki's tutorials. In this video we are going to learn how to add transitions between tracks and between parts in Adobe Premiere. So let's get started. Let's open Adobe Premiere. As you can see in this track there is like a cut here. Let's see, as you can see, yeah, here is the cut, and let's remove this blur. And let's, here in the effects bar, as you can see there are the video transitions. I want to choose one from here. Let's choose, for example, the black and add it between the two tracks, or you can also add it at the end of a track or at the beginning of a track like this. And as you can see, it dipped the black, then it's opening, and that's it. Very easy, very simple. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, write down below in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and have a good day.